Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka, and if you are new to my channel, then I make positive videos for the people who feel they are stuck in their own negativity, and because of that they are not able to move forward in their life. Then this channel is for you. So what I realized is basically, and especially about women. I don't know if you guys believe in this, that we all hold the imprints of our ancestors, and the memories and the pain and the sufferings and the blockages and the karmas of our ancestors in our DNA, in our body. And these can be the reason we are not able to feel abundance, and we are not able to move forward in our life. So I have been feeling this extreme ache and pain in my chest and in my solar plexus these days, since I'm back from my home after the Diwali, because something got triggered in me there. I just got extremely triggered, and I started to feel when I was getting in my cab, and I was, coming back to Gurgaon, where I live from my home. I was just like body without a soul. Like I was not able to move. I was like a ghost जिसमें कोई जान ही नहीं है, एंड आई वॉज जस्ट फीलिंग नम दैट कि कुछ तो मेरे अंदर चेंज हो रहा है, कुछ तो मुझे ऐसा डीप ग्रीफ फील हो रहा है जो मेरा नहीं है. Then I just allowed myself to slow down and feel it. And the more I felt it, and the universe aligned everything for me, universe sent all the messages to me in the form of reels and videos and people, and I just allowed myself to absorb it. And what I realized is that I hold so much pain of my ancestors. If you guys believe that we all hold the karmas and blockages and their pain and sufferings in our DNA, and these might can be the reason we are not able to move forward in our life, we are not able to experience abundance in our life. So all their limiting beliefs, all their pains and aches and sacrifices, their experience, we also hold in our DNA. एंड कभी कभी जो हमें डर होता है वो हमारा नहीं होता है, वो कहीं और से कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है, जो हमारे एंसेस्टर से कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है. देन when I was allowing myself to feel all this pain, what I felt is extreme anger towards men, you know, for them not allowing women to come into their own power, for thinking that women are trophy for them. If she's dressing up, she's wearing makeup, she's wearing jewelry, she's doing whatever, it they are only doing for men. That's what I realized, that many of my ancestors, maybe they lived with it, where they were programmed, and they lived in an era where men treated them like, you are an object, you are born to take care of me, you are born to feed me, you are born for me, to give me the pleasure, to to उसे हिंदी में कैसे बोलेंगे कि मेरे हंगर को मिटाने के लिए तुम्हारा जन्म हुआ है, अपना तुम्हारा कोई एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है. ओके. एंड you are not allowed to shine in your own light. You do not have your own power, your own truth, your own choices, your own voice, your own likes, dislikes. You have to wear what we decide for you to wear. You will go where we decide that you can go. You will do how much we will allow you to do. Okay, you will eat how we want you to eat. तो मतलब maybe they kept them as an object, as a robot, that you just are, you are just there because you are there for us. we need to thrive, and you are there to give us the pleasure so that we can rule the world, we can live in this world, we can just we can have all the facilities, all the comfort. You are nothing, you cannot crave anything, you cannot have anything, you know nothing is yours, everything is ours. So all these memories started to come, and if you will go back into your childhood, maybe it is not the case of everyone, but what I have seen in my surroundings, that women were treated like that, and they are still treated like that, that they are just objects. Okay. And if she wants to feel the pleasure, it's sinful, it's shameful, it's bad, because only man can feel that and have that. And if women is feeling that, then it is only and only, it it should be for men, it should not be for her. If she is having it, then she is a bad woman, she is sinful. So they all held maybe so much shame around her own sexuality. They held so much shame around pleasure, playfulness, ease, softness, you know. And my heart started to pain, and my solar plexus chakra started to release so much, a tightness from here. And I just felt this extreme anger on men. Ki, okay, that's why somewhere what I was familiar with, what my ancestors were familiar with in men, I was attracting that kind of men who were too intimidated by my own power, by my light, because they see women as an object, that she is a robot or a doll जिसके साथ सिर्फ हम खेल सकते हैं, हम खेलेंगे, और वो हमें प्लीज़ करने के लिए है, हमारा टाइम पास करने के लिए है, हमें खुशी कह रही हूँ, हमें हैप्पी करने के लिए, हमें प्लेजर फील कराने के लिए, हमें और कंफर्ट देने के लिए, हम लाइफ में और थ्राइव कर पाएँ, सिर्फ उसके लिए है. जैसे हम अपने घर में बहुत सारे नौकर नहीं रखते हैं डिफरेंट काम करने के लिए कि हमारी लाइफ ईजी हो जाए. तो मे बी दे सॉ विमेन लाइक दैट, that women are only and only that. And subconsciously, every time I used to see men, I used to feel all these emotions, but I was not aware ki, okay, I was not able to name them, I was not able to identify that, okay, these are these emotions. Because I met so many men who told me on my face that, why don't you dim yourself down? You are too intimidating. You are too much. You're arrogant. Maybe my power and my confidence, my self assurance made them feel they cannot have me. So they felt that, let me just dim her down. And I used to feel extremely angry, but then it always comes back, why am I attracting these type of weak men? Because subconsciously they know that they are not deserving of me, so that's why they always try to dim me down, rather than reflecting back onto themselves, that why do I feel so threatened in her presence, why do I feel that I need to control her, I need to dim her down, I need to tell her what to do, what not to do. If I cannot have her, then I will just talk bad about her, I will make her feel bad about herself, I will make her feel that she's not deserving, she's unworthy of love. So I was I'm still releasing, and all these memories and thoughts are coming in my head, which are not mine, which are of my ancestors. And now I am able to feel their pain, that how painful it must have been for them to not live in their own power. How painful it must have been for them to not feel belong, because that's what I have told ever since I was a child, that विमेन का घर ये नहीं होता है, विमेन का घर उसके हस्बैंड का घर होता है. तो यहाँ पे शी कैन नॉट वेयर वॉट शी वॉन्ट्स टू वेयर, शी कैन नॉट ईट so much, she have to be always in shape, she always have to do this, do that, she have to study so that man will choose her. So this, she cannot laugh too much, she cannot go out and make friends and have friends and go out and trips पे जाना घूमना, all these things you will have when once you are married. And these things, if your man chooses to give you, decides to give you, he will give you. 1 minute, I'll just come back. So yeah, लाइट चला रही थी ना, लाइट कम हो गई थी. So you don't belong here, you are just born here. मतलब that's how the women were treated in my lineage. Women were treated that they don't belong here, that this home is not hers, this place is not hers. So this wound of unbelongingness, that I don't belong here, this place is not mine. I cannot be myself, I just cannot play and dance and be myself and be my authentic self, express my true power. I cannot be too much. That's what I realized, and that's what I also learned in my lineage. When I went back and all these memories started to come, I realized, okay, this is the pattern of this lineage. In this pattern, all the women were treated. Okay, when they were born, because I have seen this, I have heard this even for myself. Don't eat this much, don't sleep this much, don't sleep at this time, don't wake up at this time, don't laugh too much, don't wear this dress, keep yourself like this, and study this much, go to college and have this degree, wear this cloth, be like this, be like that, because you are not from here, you are just a guest. ऐसा बोला नहीं, बट आपको लगता है कि you are here as a guest, we are raising you, we will only feed you this much, give you this much, give you this much freedom. Once you are married and once you will go to his family, if he decides that he wants to give you this, then you can have it, otherwise you cannot have it. Otherwise you cannot be what you want to be, because you might bring shame on us, you might ruin our reputation. So that's how women were treated, that आपका जन्म ही सिर्फ मैन के लिए हुआ है, और ऐसे ही उन्हें रेस किया गया कि उनका जन्म ही सिर्फ मैन के लिए हुआ है. तुम कपड़े पहन, तुम अगर वो कपड़े पहन रही हैं, खा रही हैं, बोल रही हैं, चल रही हैं, हंस रही हैं, पढ़ाई कर रही हैं, कुछ नहीं कर रही है, एवरीथिंग दे वर ट्रेन्ड. एवर सिंस दे वर अ चाइल्ड, दे वर ट्रेन्ड कि आपका एग्जिस्टेंस ही मैन के लिए है. अगर आप हंस भी रहे हो, अगर आप हंसना भी सीख रहे हो, अगर आप चलना भी सीख रहे हो, अगर आप बोलना भी सीख रहे हो, अगर आप पढ़ भी रहे हो, अगर आप कुक करना भी सीख रहे हो, आप कुछ ड्रेसिंग करना भी सीख रहे हो, तो आप सब दूसरे घर, उस घर के लिए सीख रहे हो जो तुम्हारा रियल घर है, तुम मैन के लिए सीख रहे हो. दैट्स हाउ विमेन वर ट्रीटेड. सो वो अपने पावर को कैसे जान पाती, कभी उनको अपने पावर में ब्लूम होने ही नहीं दिया गया. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई रियलाइज्ड अबाउट माई लिनेज, दैट दे नेवर वांटेड विमेन. व्हेन विमेन वर बॉर्न, दे वर नॉट हैप्पी कि अभी इस पे बहुत खर्चा होगा, अभी इसके कपड़े पे, मेकअप पे बहुत खर्चा होगा. जब मैन पैदा होता है तो बड़े होके वो जॉब करता है, तो घर में पैसा लाता है, तो उसका वर्थ ज़्यादा है. तो ऐसे ही मैन और विमेन को ट्रीट किया गया कि विमेन का वर्थ नहीं है. क्योंकि उसको देना पड़ता है, उसके ऊपर बहुत खर्चा होता है, और वो भी हम किसी और के लिए कर रहे हैं। वो भी वो शादी करके किसी और घर जाएगी तो वो उसको ले जाएगा, तो हम उसके लिए इतना क्यों करें? जहाँ पे वो शादी करके जाएगी वो करे उसके लिए। तो women were not even accepted as a child. They rejected the child totally, that you just don't belong here, you are not ours. अगर उनका बस चलता तो विमेन जो लड़की है पैदा होते ही किसी आदमी को दे देते उनके घर पे कि तुम पालो, अब तो तुम्हें ही इसको लेके जाना है, हमारी तो ये है नहीं, हमने तो बस इसको पैदा कर दिया, तुम्हारे लिए आई थी, तुम इसको ले जाओ, हम इसका बर्डन नहीं लेंगे, हम इसको पढ़ाने का लिखाने का, मतलब दे वर ट्रीटेड लाइक अ बर्डन, कि एक एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन है हमारे ऊपर। एंड इस बर्डन को हम क्यों ढोएं, हम क्यों इसको पढ़ाएं लिखाएं कपड़े दिलाएं, हम क्यों इसको 20-25 साल तक पाले, इसको दें, और क्योंकि कल को इसको कहीं और ही जाना है। एंड दिस प्रोग्रामिंग is running in lot of women. Wound that I don't belong here, that this home is not mine. तो जो वो अनबिलोंगिंगनेस होता है ना, वो वूंड इतना डीप होता है that you feel यार आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू बी माई सेल्फ इन माई होम, देन मैं कहाँ मैं बन के रह सकती हूँ, देन मुझे कहाँ, अगर मुझे मेरे घर में ही वो एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं मिल रही है तो मुझे इस दुनिया में कहाँ मिलेगी वो एक्सेप्टेंस। एंड देन आवर पेरेंट्स थिंक्स कि नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू मैरी हर इन अ फैमिली, यू नो, जहाँ पे लड़का ऐसा हो वैसा हो। जब विमेन की प्रोग्रामिंग इतनी अनवर्दीनेस पे आपने कर दी है तो वो अच्छा अट्रैक्ट कैसे करेगी जहाँ पे उसकी लाइट में उसको शाइन होने दिया जाए, बिकॉज वो उसने कभी वो चीज़ से वो फेमिलियर ही नहीं हुई है। वो फेमिलियरिटी होती है ना, व्हेन वी से दैट वी डोंट अट्रैक्ट व्हाट वी आर बट वी अट्रैक्ट व्हाट वी आर familiar with. So if women were not familiar, you know, them being in her own light and them feeling that they are also human, they also exist, they can also have boundaries, they can also say no, they can also shine in their own light, they can have their own power. अगर वो उस चीज़ से familiar ही नहीं है, कभी हुई नहीं, तो वो ऐसी चीज़ें आगे जाके अट्रैक्ट ही कैसे करेगी? उसको तो पता ही नहीं है कि ये चीज़ भी एग्जिस्ट करती है। तो जब ऐसी कोई चीज़ उनकी रियलिटी में आई होगी या फिर आएगी तो वो उसको रिजेक्ट कर देगी, क्योंकि उसको लगेगा कि यार ये तो समथिंग विच आई एम नॉट फेमिलियर विद, आई एम नॉट सेफ विद इट। उसको वो सेफ्टी महसूस ही नहीं होगा वहाँ पे, वो सब कॉन्शियसली उस चीज़ को पुश कर देगी। उसको लगेगा कि यार ये तो कुछ अजीब है। सो you know, I did not read this anywhere, all these just came to me in my, आप कह सकते हैं कि I just realized it, it just came in my mind. My ancestors helped me कि प्रियंका, we lived like this, we chose you, you are not gonna live like this, you are gonna change the meaning of women in our lineage and the definition of women, what women can have, how women can be. You are gonna change it for us because we were not able to do this, we were not able to have this, and we were not allowed to be a women, be in our own light, neither we had these kind of circumstances or the courage to do so. But we want you to do this for us. So definitely they all made me realize of their pain, that which is living in my DNA, in my cells, in my body, which came to me as a memory. And I'm sharing this with you all, that this video might help you guys, you know, rise above, release these conditioning, this thing that I just don't belong in my own house. I cannot, you know, if I'm eating something, then it is a burden on them. If I am having something, it is a burden of them. I cannot ask for clothes, I cannot ask for jewelries, it is a burden on them. I am a burden. I cannot say no, I cannot have boundaries, I just don't exist because I'm a burden. I don't belong here, this is not my home, this is not my place, and I just can't tell them that I need this, I need that, because my needs and wants and wishes are burden on them because I don't belong here. Because this is not my home, this is not my place. I cannot relax. I just constantly have to, be needed by them. I constantly have to be at some kind of service, some kind of work. I need to do something in order to belong here, in order to be here. Like, being in that house is a job. It's like a job. You will only have this job if you will do these tasks. If you are not doing these tasks, you will not have this job. You don't belong here. So we were treated, many of us were treated in our own home like this home is a workplace. एंड हमें आपकी एक्सपर्टीज़ की ज़रूरत है. अगर आपके अंदर वो एक्सपर्टीज़ नहीं है और अगर आप हमारा काम नहीं कर रहे हो, तो वी आर नॉट गोना प्रोवाइड फॉर यू, वी आर नॉट गोना गिव यू मनी. लाइक जैसे जॉब्स में हमें मनी देते हैं ना, हम जब अपने एक्सपर्टीज़ को, अपने काम को वहाँ पे करते हैं, देते हैं, तो वो उसके बदले हमें मनी देते हैं. वैसे ही मे बी हमें, मैनी ऑफ अस वर ट्रीटेड लाइक दैट इन आवर ओन हाउस. And that's why all the time we want to feel needed in relationships, in workplace, in friendships, in the society also. That I need to be needed. If I'm not needed, I'm not safe. If they don't need me, then I'm not safe. I need to constantly do something. I need to constantly be needed by people. If I have my boundaries, if I say no, then I'm not safe. If I'm not needed, then I'm not safe. Because then I'll not belong, then I'll not exist. I'll be isolated, I'll be alone. And I really hope that this video opens your eyes and help you to realize your own worth. That we don't need to be needed. We don't need to be constantly at work and doing something, fixing something, because deep down we have this wound that I don't belong here. I'm not needed, then I'm not safe. I cannot have my boundaries. If I'm not constantly working and doing everything, then if then they are not gonna need me, then I don't belong here. Then because जैसे ऑफिस में रिप्लेस कर देते हैं ना लोगों को, मे बी मैं भी रिप्लेस्ड हो जाऊंगी. For that we need to realize that we are also human, and the shadow we faced of other women, of other men, of the men, of the women, are their powerlessness, are their shadows, are their fears. That if we come into our own power, they had some kind of threat. That's why they tried to dim our light. They had some kind of threat by us, women, coming into our own power. There were few men who had some kind of threat, who felt that if they don't control us, because they knew that women are very powerful. Their feminine energy, their life force energy, their Shakti is extremely powerful. So somewhere down the line, they tried to control the feminine, the women, the feminine in them, the femininity, the Shakti, the life force in them. Because they knew that if we rise, if we come into our own power, then we are uncontrollable. We are going to realize our own worth, that we are so whole and complete without them, that we don't need anybody to complete us, that we are the master of manifestations, that divine live through us, divine lives through all of us. We are the vessel of creativity, of birthing new. They knew that we are powerful, we are extremely powerful, and we are gifted with the power of creation, creativity, of bringing the new life, of manifestation, of healing, of medicine. So somewhere they tried to dim our light. They tried to tell us. They tried to control us. They tried to, dim us and tell us that we are nothing. We are nothing without them. And they thought if they cannot have control over us, then they are powerless. They were in their wounded masculine, which made them do this. You know, that their worth came from having so many women, and every woman submitting to them, every woman relying on them, depending on them, going to them for the help. Their self-worth came from us somewhere. That if we are depending on them, relying on them, which is not bad, but if it is coming from a wounded place, it is not good. So maybe they tried. Because all these memories I have not read anywhere, just coming to me. So I don't know from where it is coming. That their wounded masculine wanted to control us, wanted to make us feel that we are powerless, we are nothing without them. They tried to dim our light, dim our life force energy, our Shakti. Because their wounded masculine wanted to feel in control, wanted to be in control, be in charge. Because they thought being a man means women submitting to us, women being submissive, women relying on us, depending on us, coming to us for being, being saved, for calling us to save us, for like calling men like them to save us, women. And she not knowing herself, she is being confused, she is not knowing her own power. We are weak if we constantly tell if she do not know herself, then we can constantly control her, we can constantly tell her that she is nothing without us, like men. We can constantly control her to not do everything that we don't want her to do, and we can control her to do everything that we want her to do, us to do. Their wounded masculine, because they were not ready to reflect within themselves, in their own heart, and heal their own feminine and wounded masculine, to feel powerful within themselves, that they don't need to feel powerful by controlling us, by dimming us, by having so many women, that they don't have to do this. They are powerful. Their presence is powerful. They are safe. They refused to do that. That's why they started to do all these things, and these things are still living in psyche of many men and women also. We are scared to shine in our own light. We are scared because these programmings are passed down from our ancestors to us, and we just don't know that why we have extreme fear of shining in our own light. We just don't know from where these fears are coming. Okay, on this note, I shared with you all whatever was coming to me. I don't know from where it was coming, but I extend my gratitude to all the sources from where these informations are coming to me, and I am sharing with you all, because these informations, realizations cannot be just mine. It is coming from somewhere, and I extend my gratitude to that source. And on this note, I hope this video opens your eyes and awakens something in you and help you in some way. On this note, I love you all, and I'll see you all guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.